Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Xiaomi smartphone to Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to enter Google Play Store on Xiaomi smartphone. On the search you have to type the phone clone, because this is the name of the application that we are going to use with transferring data, and download this application on your Xiaomi. Right now we can open it, tap on the agree. This is the old phone. Use the switcher, tap on the old phone again, and right now we have to accept all of these notifications. Okay, and right now open it on your P40 Pro. Click on the new phone, and with the selecting the old phone type, tap on the other Android, next, and right now we can scan the QR code to connect. Now we have to wait a little bit until our devices connect. Right now we have to accept the request, tap on the connect. There's a notification that connection is successful. So right now, if you want to take everything from a Xiaomi, just click on the select all. But it is only an example, so I'm going for the photo, this one, click on the OK. If you chose everything you want, tap on the transfer, and it's finished. This is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.